is Afna, and today we're going to learn about the file dialog. So, what is a file dialog? A file dialog is basically like, so you have a file. Now, when you go into the file, there's this dialog and some data in. It's like related to file handling. So we'll get into the function. So you know the window part, easy for you. Now for the open file, this is the button. Now that's the function command open file window, which is on the top over here. Then multi-line, tk.text height, and then the height practice. Now let's get to the function. Now to the function, file path equals to file dialog, which we did here. From thing to input file dialog. That's why we're putting file dialog here. Then ask open file name, right? So it's gonna open the file name if you ask for it. So the title equals open a file. Okay, that's the title. Now the file types. What are the file types? It's a text file. So star.txt, meaning that this star is gonna collect all the data from the file, right? Like all the data. So now file equals to open file path because we have to put the file in read mode. And file path we're just making this file path is over here, so we put the file path here. Now print file.read, we have to put that in read mode, so we have to print read mode. Now content equals to file.read, multi-line.insert, tk.end the content. So if we run the code, open the file, where is it? Okay, if we go here, yeah, so you guys see over here, Avner, Enver, and Sam. It's printing the names on the output. But we wanted to put on the multi-line text. So how do we do that? In my next video, I'll teach you. So now how do we change this? This is how. So what is this? So this is how we change it. So if I go to the files, right? A file. Let's get the notepad. Okay. So we can change this into whatever. Then after that, we go to Tawny, run the code again. Where is it? Open file. Where's file? Where's file? Open. See, it's still Avner and for Sam because we're putting it on read mode, not write mode. Okay? So this is the code, and it looks nice, right? Like it's actually, there's a button, you open it and it sends you to your actual file, right? Then it prints the data over here. It's still printing the same data because why? Because we're putting it on read mode. If it's write mode, it's gonna be different. Okay? So thank everyone for listening about my video about file dialog. We're gonna add more to this, okay? Like putting that data in the multi-line text box, in the multi-line text box thing. Okay, so feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it, and bye.